Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Chromebook keyboard keys like Search, Control, Alt, Escape, and Backspace. First go to Options, then go to Device in left column, then click Keyboard. There are the keys presented there. Click the drop down menu and select the function that you want. You can also click Disable to disable the keyboard key. Similarly, go to other keys to change their functions. No need to save them, just select the function and it is automatically applied. That's it. Thank you.